We're in a 1966 Corvette 427 on a snowy day. We converted this to fuel injection because the carburetor at this altitude was really difficult and the car didn't run as well as it should. So with this modern fuel injection system, it feels like we added another 100 horsepower at least. So we're going to go around the block and try not to slide around too much. It's actually pretty good in the snow. A little bit of water dripping in here and there. Try the wipers. Oh my God, they're shocking. Very smoothly. The big difference is the car starts up so easily, no matter whether it's hot or cold with the fuel injection. You don't get that vapor lock syndrome these cars are so famous for with these big engines.
We'll look around the interior here a little bit.
Beautiful leather interior in this car. Now we're going to come into some real snow. We'll see how she does. If you had a set of good snow tires on this car, you could definitely drive it in the snow. It actually has really good traction, which is surprising, and it handles pretty nice on the snow. The brakes work great. Obviously a lot more fun when the top's down and the weather's nice, but we have to do our testing one way or another.
And there we are.